So in this video, ipapakita ko naman sa iyo saan ba tayo makapag-download ng free music background and sound effects. Free to na walang copyright. So you have two options actually. You can use Facebook Sound Collection and YouTube Audio Library. So i-google lang ninyo yan. For example, ito, i-google nyo Facebook Sound Collection and then yung isa is the YouTube Audio Library. So if you would want to upload mga contents sa YouTube ng clients niyo na hindi kayo makaka-copyright, definitely you would want to use the YouTube Audio Library. And if sa Facebook naman, ito, Facebook Sound Collection naman yung gagamitin niyo. But either of the two, actually, hindi kayo makaka-copyright using these two options. So, ito, Facebook Sound Collection, mag-sample tayo, ayan, i-google niyo and then i-click lang niyo if naka-login na kayo sa Facebook niyo, automatic na yan, and if hindi pa, kailangan niyo lang mag-login sa Facebook niyo so that you can access itong Facebook Sound Collection, ayan, i-click lang yan niyo, Facebook Sound Collection, and ganun lang. It's a free nga to. You can freely download yung mga free music dito. So how do you navigate dito? So ito nakalagay dito tracks and sound effects. If yung music background yung gusto niyo, dito kayo sa tracks, and if yung mga sound effects naman, dito kayo sa tab ng sound effects. So mag-example tayo tracks music background. So, ito yung mga sample ng mga great music for your videos na pwede nyo gamitin. So, usually, yung ginagawa ko dito is, you can sort it, actually. You can use sort it by genre. Ayan. Mostly, yung ginagamit dito na genre, depende sa video kasi ninyo. But most of the time, dito tayo sa pop. Ayan, pop and R&B and soul. Pwede din reggae. So, ito yung mga usual na sikat or yung maganda pakinggan na mga music background. Kasi lively siya, ganun. So, mag-sample tayo ito, pop. Ayan, so, you can also set yung moods or usually yung siniset ko dito is yung may vocals ba? Ayan, has vocals, no vocals, or yung tempo din, kung gusto nyo slow, medium, or fast. For example, medium yung gusto natin. And then, you can sort it by yung most popular. So that yung maganda talaga yung ma-download natin. So ito, for example, Sunset, ito, ang artist niya is Sleeping Lion. So yung tempo niya is medium kasi yung pinili natin. Length niya is 3 minutes. So pwede natin i-play para we'll have a preview. So ito yung Sunset natin na instrumental. So okay ba siya? For example, ito yung kailangan niya ng Sunset na ganito yung gusto niyo gawing music background. So, pag nagustuhan ninyo, i-click lang to ninyo itong download na icon. Download natin to. There. So, yan. Automatic na siya i-download. Hintayin nyo lang mag-download. There. So, we get the Sunset instrumental that WAV yung kanyang file type. So, pwede pa kayo maghanap. For example, ito. I-explore lang ninyo. Ayan. Workday. Example. Ito. Workday. I-play natin. Ayan. So, ito yung Workday by Scott Dugdale. Ano babasa yan? So, yan. If nagustuhan din ninyo, all you need to do is ito. I-click nyo lang yung download again. And then, there you have it. Na-download nyo na yung mga music background files na pwede nyo gamitin sa inyong pag-edit ng video. So, doon naman tayo sa sound effects. Ayan. So, di ba, napakadali lang mag-download. So, dito naman kayo sa tab ng sound effects. There. So, you can select dito ano ba yung mga kailangan nyo na category. Ayan. Ano ba yung kailangan? Footsteps ba? Mga alarm. Yan, human voices, cartoon and comedy. For example, cartoon and comedy yung pipiliin nyo. Ayan. So, ito yung mga sound effects. For example, yung mga, for example, ito, yung sound effects lang na kailangan nyo. Yan. Bonk, cartoon bonk. So, that's the sound. So, if nagustuhan ninyo, ayan, i-download lang ninyo. And there you have it. Mabilis lang siya ma-download. And, ito, toy train whistle. For example, yan, kailangan nyo yung sound effects na ganyan. I-download ninyo. And there you have it. Na-download na ninyo. Kita nyo. Nasa download folder ninyo. Makikita kung saan yung naset nyo na download folder. And example, madami pa talaga dito. May water, may footsteps, alarms, ayan, household. Transportation, for example. Kailangan nyo ng sound effects ng mga transportation. Ayan, transportation yung kailangan ninyo. Ayan, and then, ayan, car lock, ayan, airplane announcement. Ayan, i-play natin to. For example, kailangan nyo yan. There, i-click nyo lang yung download. And boom. There you have it. So, na-download na ninyo yung mga music background and sound effects na kailangan ninyo. So, punta lang kayo dun sa download folder niyo, doon niyo makita yan. And of course, doon naman sa YouTube audio, if sa YouTube gusto niyo ito, i-google niyo lang yan, YouTube Audio Library. So, ganun din yung is similar lang doon sa Facebook na sound collection. So, may makikita kayo dito na mga, ayan, music, sound effects, ayan. So, pwede nyo, yan, pwede nyo i-filter, for example, yan, mga pop yung gusto nyo, yan, funky, yan, for example, ito, flying, yung flying genre. There, if nagustuhan nyo yan, ganun din, similar dun sa Facebook sound collection, click nyo lang yung download, and there you have it, and then sound effects naman, ito, for example, kids playing, kailangan nyo yan, i-play nyo, if you would need, if kailangan nyo itong needs, kids playing, play ba siya? Hanap tayong example, diba? Ito, factory background. Ayan. If kailangan nyo yan, click nyo lang yung download. And boom, there you have it. So, ganun lang yung pag-download natin, paghanap ng free music background and sound effects. Punta lang kayo sa Facebook Sound Collection and Audio Library. So, napakadali lang. So, yun lang yung video natin for this one. I just showed you kung paano mag-download ng free music background and free sound effects. And thank you for watching. Ayun, I'll see you in our next video.